Deronda here. Today I'm going to show you how to make this toffee pecan coconut bars. So simple and easy to make, yet so delicious. The ingredients you're going to need is 2 cups of Bisquick, 1/3 cup of your Heath bites. I buy them already in the bag. You can purchase this in the chocolate chip section of your supermarket, or just go ahead and buy a Heath bar and crush it down. 3/4 of a cup of lightly packed brown sugar, 1/3 cup of sweetened shredded coconut, 1/3 cup of pecans. If you'd like to substitute this with walnuts or pistachios, or even leave them out altogether, you may. 3/4 of a cup of semi-sweet chocolate chips, or you may substitute this with dark chocolate chips or milk chocolate chips or white chocolate chips, and 1/2 cup of softened butter. Add your softened butter into a medium-sized mixing bowl. To soften your butter a little faster, you can nuke it in the microwave on defrost. Yes, that's defrost for just a couple of seconds at a time till you get this nice softness on your butter. Add your brown sugar. We're going to beat this for 3 minutes. After 3 minutes, your butter and sugar is going to be looking like this, and we're going to add in all 2 cups of that Bisquick. And starting on low, we're going to just mix it in, and your mixture is going to be crumbly, scraping down the sides of your bowl. After 2 minutes, the mixture will be looking like this in a lightly greased 8-inch or 9-inch baking dish. And we're just going to rub it in like that. Add the mixture with your fingertips. We're going to spread it out, or you can just shake it like this. And with your fingertips, you can press it down, or you can just use a flat bottom cup and it'll do the same thing. At this point, you want your oven preheated to 350 degrees Fahrenheit. You just work with it till you get an even layer. This is off to that preheated oven on the middle rack for the next 25 to 30 minutes, or until golden in color. Use your timer and no peeking. I baked mine for about 25 minutes. As you can see, it's lovely and golden around the edges. And immediately we're going to add that 3/4 cups of your chocolate chips. And we're going to let them sit here and soften up for about 2 or 3 minutes until we can spread the chocolate on the top of our base of the bar. After a few minutes, the residual heat from the base of our bar is going to melt those chocolate chips. And with the back of a spoon or a spatula, I just spread them over the top. Now that we have the base of our toffee pecan coconut bars, I'm going to come back with that toffee crunch, and evenly I'm going to distribute it over the top. Be sure you get the corners. Don't miss out on the corners. And then we're going to do that sweetened shredded coconut. And again, you can give it a little shake, and be careful, your pan's still going to be warm, until you evenly get your coconut and toffee over the chocolate. I'm going to stick a little bit more that way. We're going to add the nuts, or your pecans, or walnuts, or pistachios. And if you want to leave them off, you may do that too. And again, I just like to shake them until they're evenly distributed on the top. Take your hand, gently pat it down, or if you like to use the back of a spoon to do that, you may as well. And we're going to let these sit up for the next hour until that chocolate hardens and the coconut and the toffee and the pecans adheres to the chocolate. If you want to cool this off faster, go ahead and put it in the refrigerator, and that's what I'm going to do for the next 30 minutes. I've had my toffee pecan coconut bars chilling in the refrigerator for about 40 minutes. I don't want it to get too hard because it's kind of difficult to cut. I went ahead, I cut horizontally in the center, and then I cut in between the center line horizontally again, and then I cut vertical in the center, and then of course in the center cut vertical again. And I've got 4 times 4 is 16 pieces. It's very, very rich, but you can make them as large or as small as you want. And I want to show you what the inside looks like. And the chocolate's still just a tad bit warm. Let's give it a try. Wow. The title of this sweet treat speaks for itself. A toffee pecan coconut bars. And they're delicious. So simple and easy to make, yet so scrumptious. Give them as a gift. Give them as a treat. I'm Deronda with Foods 101. Give me thumbs up. Leave me a comment. Hit that notification bell to be the first to get my new YouTube food videos. Thanks a million for watching. And I'll catch you lovely people later.